So the course that I'm teaching is Formulation and Stabilization of Biotherapeutics, and it focuses on how to formulate and stabilize molecules in creating the drug product, but also how formulation and stabilization of the drug product is related to discovery on the one hand, and then manufacturing on the other hand. So it's really a holistic approach to formulation and stabilization. And I've been working in this area for 20 years. We've been developing a whole host of new technologies, many of which have been successfully implemented in industry. And so this is really a way to bring this knowledge to professionals as students here for a couple days at MIT and get that knowledge out and help them to be more effective in their roles.
I heard about the course about formulation and stabilization of biotherapeutics. I work in the field of vaccines, and I thought, okay, it's very relevant. And we came with 2 more colleagues, and for us it's like the whole formulation team is here. What I found really good about the course was they covered different topics. And the most interesting part is that in the end they have this workshop that you gotta do together with other people. That feels like you learned something and you applied it. So in that perspective, it's been quite good.
Well, I mean, I've always heard of the high quality of the courses that are offered here, the summer courses, and so I was always interested. I was primarily interested in the downstream processing course, but then when I started to look at the catalog, I realized that there was a formulations course. I had always admired Professor Trout's work in the literature, and so I was really interested to take that. Some of, I think, the most important learnings for me were on the mechanisms of protein degradation, as well as the various excipients and the mechanisms by which those are active. I think oftentimes we do this type of work very empirically, and so understanding the theoretical basis for that was really useful.
There are many conferences, very good conferences, but there's nowhere that I know of where students from anywhere in the world can come for close to a week and learn the kind of things we've been talking about. There really isn't anything like it. There might be some one-off special trainings, but this is a course that we've developed over years, and we tailor it to the needs of professionals in the industry, and so I think it is unique in that regard.